Our top focus tonight, as the coronavirus pandemic is tearing apart the world economies, we are certainly staring at a devastating recession. Fears are growing that the worldwide economic downturn could be especially deep and lengthy, with recovery limited by continued anxiety. Now, experts have warned of a global recession as the invisible deadly disease leaves its mark. A new report by the German IFO Institute has forecast that the global economy would suffer a steep contraction of 1.9% this year. The report, with 1,000 experts from 110 countries, has made startling revelations for the COVID-19 impact on various economies around the world. As per the IFO Institute's study, Eurozone will continue to remain the hardest hit, with contractions peaking to 5.3%. The fragile economy of Italy is set to contract by 7% as the COVID-19 cases continue to surge with mounting fatalities. The British economy is also expected to suffer its worst peacetime downturn ever. The UK economy was expected to slump by 3.6% as businesses across the services sector shut shop, as millions of Brits feel the economic bite of COVID-19, which is spreading panic across the globe. Now, the German Economic Institute, IFO, said it expected the economy to contract by 6.6% in 2020, year-on-year, due to coronavirus. The experts have also predicted the French economy would contract 5% and Spain's economy would shrink by 3.4%. Let's move on to the United States, which remains the worst affected country. The American economic output is expected to fall by 4.6% in 2020. Similarly, the GDP would decrease by 4.2% in Brazil and by 3.4% in Russia and South Africa each. On the other hand, Japan would experience a 3.3% recession, and according to this survey, governments are intensifying restrictions on businesses to halt the spread of the pandemic, but the fear of the virus has reconfigured the very concept of public space, impeding consumer-led economic growth. People worldwide are waiting to return to work, and the dire predictions show various nations plummeting into a recession. The stock markets have already reflected the economic alarm, and the abrupt halt of commercial activity threatens to impose economic pain so profound and enduring in every region of the world at once that a recovery could take years.